Hi, I'm Longster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing replacement auger drive belt on this Troy-Bilt snowblower. Let's get started. This is the 26-inch Troy-Bilt snowblower from Lowe's with the 8.5 horsepower engine. First thing we're going to be doing is removing this cover. It's a belt cover. There are two bolts to hold this cover on. One of them is down underneath the chute here. That is a 10 millimeter. They're both 10 millimeters. I'm using a 1/4 inch 10 millimeter socket, ratchet and socket. For this side, I'm going to be using an extension. Lift that up and out of the way. So what I'm going to do is work this off. First thing you should do is disconnect the spark plug. Make sure it can't start on you. I might have to use the pull rope to help work it off. There we go. Now that it's off this side, I got to lift the snowblower up on this auger and take the belly pan off. There are a total of 4 bolts on the bottom of this that need to come off. And maybe, I think it's stuck. Take that off and out of the way. I'm going to release this spring. And this spring, I'm going to take that off. It was hooked in here. That is what holds the brake on. And it also makes a pulley return. Now I'm going to take off this belt guard. Belt guide, whatever, keeps the belt from popping off, and that is held in with a 20 millimeter and a 14 millimeter, and you should only just have to loosen it up a little bit and you can take it right off. Now I should be able to get the belt through here. I might have to lift up on the motion or the drive disc to get that to slide through. There's our old belt. I get my new one and I'll be right back. This is the belt that I picked up from Lowe's. This I cross-referenced to Sober. The part number I needed was a 954-04050 or the 754-04050. That will fit this snowblower. This is a 1/2 inch by 38 inches, I do believe. I should be able to slide this up through there. Should fit. Oh, there we go. And should be able to slide it the whole way up through. Move this guide out of the way, or the brake out of the way. Make sure that's the whole way around, down and around on the pulley. Put this back on. Tighten that back up. Keep the belt from popping out. Put this back in. And I'll show you where that belt had to go through. You can see that belt has got to slide right in between that red piece and that bolt. So if you lift up on this, that'll give you more room to slide it through, but it is a tight fit. But the belt is up through there. Like I said, I got to go up to the top and make sure everything's on there. Now I have the belt up through. I'm going to get it around the chute and up. On this pulley. I'm going to have to loosen this pulley up. Okay, I'm going to loosen up this idler, the 14mm wrenches. Now see if I can get this up over there. There we go. Now I'm going to tighten these up. And I'm going to start it up, make sure everything works okay. Okay, I don't know if you heard me in the other clip, but if you can get a cloth wrapped belt for these, I would recommend it. It'll prevent that slapping. But picked this one up from Lowe's, and it's kind of a last minute thing. And the last belt that I put on there was, I had on here was a $10 belt. That lasted 2 seasons. All 3. I think this whole thing is supposed to slide up. There, that's better. It's supposed to slide up underneath here. I'll show you. This top cover is supposed to slide up underneath, not over top, which is how I had it. Good. Clean up here. I'm going to put this back down and we'll be done. Well, that'll do it for replacing the Auger drive belt on this Troy-Bilt 26-inch walk-behind snowblower. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.